Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Happy morning, sir.
So that delay?
No, actually, I was waiting for the link and then I joined the 5 a.m. group and checked it was still going on. So I thought, okay, I'll wait for some more time. Then
Okay. Actually, this is the same link for every day.
is it the 6 o'clock? Then we can put it in our description itself, no?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, if we can put it in the description, then we need not wait for the link. But once I tried the previous day link, it didn't work.
No. That is the same link. Every day we don't change it.
Only, yeah? Okay, perfect. Then it's very easy. Okay, sure.
So, how's your day?
Yeah, I'm actually traveling back to Coimbatore. I live in Coimbatore, but I've come to my in-laws' house in Madurai. So I'll be traveling back today.
Super. That's fantastic. Good
It
to
is
know.
good.
Yes.
I'm excited because I'll be meeting a few new people today.
That's awesome. Happy morning. Happy morning, Chitra ma'am. Hello. Ma'am, உங்க குரல கேட்கல சித்ரா ma'am. You're not audible. நீங்க பேசுறது தெரியுது, but it's not audible actually.
Okay.
நீங்க headset இல்ல Bluetooth speaker ஏதாவது வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? Because whatever you are speaking, it's not audible actually.
கேக்குதா சார்?
இப்போ கேக்குது.
Okay.
Yes. So Sunday happiness dose is the sharing your happiness. Happy moment of the week. Yeah. So the first part will be sharing. Each one of us will be sharing any happy moment of the week, and next week we would be sharing what is that? Next half we will be doing a couple of exercises what we do on a daily basis. And I'll start with mine, and just a minute. This thing only. So I'm so glad to let you know that. So you all know that I've been supporting this Hunger Free Arani initiative. So this one photo actually, this lead me to start this initiative. So when I was in 2015, so when I was in Arani, the place where my friend so has started his NGO and doing various activities. So I joined with him and to be a full-time volunteer, and we started adopting 100 parentless and single parented kids to provide them the scholarship and a complete mentorship and guidance for their education. So as part of it, I took them for a rally to create public free zones in the ground, common public ground, and a public park and municipal areas. So while doing it in front of the park, we see this guy who doesn't even wear any pant. Okay, so he's a destitute. He's not even a beggar. He's a destitute. He cannot speak. Few people say he's mentally challenged also. He cannot speak properly. So he used to crawl on the road. After looking at him, what these guys did is they just collected their pocket money, 1 rupee, 2 rupees. They collected it and immediately went back to Amma Hotel and they bought this Tiffin. In fact, if you can see in Amma Hotel, they never used to give the parcels. They took the pamphlet and they brought that idlis and all in the pamphlet, and they're serving them on the road itself. That triggered me. See how beautifully these kids are doing. Why don't we do it on a regular basis? So that is how we started, and during that moment, that United Nations has come up with the 17 sustainable development goals to develop the nation, and zero hunger is one of that goal, and that is what we did it. And I'm so glad, and I did it on October 2nd, 2015. For the past 6 years, we've been doing it. And I'm so happy to launch this website yesterday. And this is all about the our initiative, and the beauty, the uniqueness about our initiative is being into the volunteering journey for more than 15 years. I see many food banks or many such organizations provide the food, and that is very appreciable thing. But on the other hand, the people who are getting the food, they are taking it take it for granted. சும்மா தானே கொடுக்குறாங்க, வாங்கலாம்னு சொல்லி வாங்குறவங்க தவிர்த்து உண்மையாவே அது தேவையா அப்படின்றவங்க ரெடியூஸ் ஆயிட்டாங்க. ரெண்டாவது, சும்மா காசு சாப்பாடு கொடுக்குறவங்க நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்களே, நான் ஏன் வேலை செய்யணும் அப்படின்னு யோசிச்சு அன்எம்ப்ளாய்மெண்ட். ஏன்னா ஹங்கருக்கான மெயின் ரீசனே பாவர்ட்டி. பாவர்ட்டிக்கான மெயின் ரீசன் அன்எம்ப்ளாய்மெண்ட். ஸோ இன்டைரக்டா these food banks and food serving organizations, they are creating unemployment by providing the free food. So அதுதான் I thought that நான் 3 வேளையும் நான் என்னால வந்து சாப்பாடு கொடுக்க முடியாது, ஒரு வேளை மட்டும்தான் நான் கொடுப்பேன். மிச்ச 2 வேளை அவன் என்ன பண்ணுவான்? I asked them to pick the plastic and sell them in a recycling units so that he'll get a money. இது வந்து 2 விதமா யூஸ் ஆகும். ஒன்னு, நான் உனக்கு உதவி செய்யறேன், அது வந்து ஃப்ரீ கிடையாது, நீ இன்னொருத்தருக்கு உதவி செய். அந்த இன்னொருத்தருக்கு உதவி செய்யறது வந்து இந்த மாதிரி பிளாஸ்டிக் எடு, இந்த பிளாஸ்டிக் எடுத்துட்டு நீ வந்து இன்னொரு மீல் வந்து நீயே சம்பாதி. That is how we do it. And second thing, we ask them to help. அதுதான், நான் எதுவுமே ஃப்ரீயா பண்ண மாட்டேன், நான் உனக்கு உதவி செய்யறேன், நீ இன்னொருத்தருக்கு உதவி செய். இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா எங்களோட டெய்லி ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ், நம்ம சாப்பாடு கொடுக்குறோம், அவங்கள வந்து பிளாஸ்டிக் எடுக்க சொல்றோம், அவங்கள உதவி செய்ய சொல்றோம். உன் சாப்பாடுல கொஞ்சம் சாப்பாடு நாய்க்கு போடு, காக்காக்கு போடு, செடிக்கு தண்ணி ஊத்து, மாடுக்கோ ஆடுக்கோ தண்ணி வெய்ய, சாப்பாடு வெய்ய. We are supporting these goals. That is the uniqueness in this initiative. And யாரு வேணாலும் சரி, இது வந்து நான் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும்னா, உங்க பர்த்டேக்கு வந்து ஒரு கேக் வாங்குறதுல 1000 ரூபாய் செலவு பண்ணி குறைஞ்சபட்சம், அதே 1000 ரூபாய் வந்து 40 பேருக்கு சாப்பாடு கொடுப்போம். அது வந்து வீட்டு சாப்பாடு. That is what we are doing it. And இப்போ வரைக்கும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரெகுலரா ஹெல்ப் பண்றவங்க வந்து 15 பேர் இருக்கிறாங்க. ஒரு நாளுக்கு 40 சாப்பாடு கொடுக்குறோம். 6 வருஷமா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு மாசத்துக்கு 36,000 ரூபாய் செலவாகும். என்ன எல்லாம் வேலை பண்றாங்கன்னா, நாங்க வந்து ஃபண்ட் ரைஸ் பண்ணுவோம், சாப்பாடு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுவோம், அப்புறம் வந்து பேக்கிங் எல்லாமே பண்றோம். தென் டெய்லி வந்து சோஷியல் மீடியால அப்டேட்ஸ் போஸ்ட் போடுவோம். இது எல்லாமே வாலண்டியர்ஸ் தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Don't have any employees. இது வந்து காமன் பீப்புள் தான். ஒருத்தர் வந்து யாருக்கெல்லாம் இந்த சாப்பாடு கொடுக்குறோம்னா, பெக்கர்ஸ், ஹோம்லெஸ், டெஸ்டிடியூட், அபாண்டட், வீட்ல இருந்து அமுச்சு விட்டுறவங்க, சிங்கிள் பர்சன்ஸ், மைக்ரண்ட் ஒர்க்கர்ஸ், பேரண்ட்லெஸ் கிட்ஸ், சிங்கிள் பேரண்டட், டிசேபிள்ட், ஸ்பெஷலி ஏபிள்ட், அன்னோட்டிஸ்ட், இவங்க வந்து மதிக்கவே மாட்டாங்க, இவங்களும் ஒரு ஆளா இருக்கிறாங்களான்னு ரோடு சைட டெய்லி பார்த்துட்டு இருப்போம், ஆனா தெரியாது, மதிக்கவே மாட்டோம். அவாய்டட், விட்டுருப்பாங்க. And so we are working on these 2 aspects, and this is the team. இந்த பொண்ணு வந்து ஒரு காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட், she is leading the entire initiative. இந்த அம்மா வந்து ஒரு குக், ஸோ இந்த பையன் வந்து ஒரு மெக்கானிக்கா வேலை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஸோ இவர் வந்து ஒரு டைலர். இன்னொரு பாட்டி இருக்கிறாங்க, அந்த பாட்டி போட்டோ இன்னும் போடல, ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் வெயிட்டிங் ஃபார் த பாட்டி. அந்த பாட்டி வந்து ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவாங்க. இவர் தான் டெய்லி பேக் பண்ணிட்டு, ஏன்னா இவங்களை அனுப்ப முடியாதுல்ல, ஏன்னா எல்லா இடத்துல ஒரு ரோட்ல இருப்பாங்க, கோயிலாண்ட இருப்பாங்க, ஸோ பஸ் ஸ்டாண்ட்ல இருப்பாங்க, ஸோ யாருமே இல்லாத இடத்துல எல்லாம் இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ இவர் வந்து ஹீல் ஹெல்ப் அஸ். அந்த பாட்டி வந்து டெய்லி வந்து சமையல் செய்யறதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஹவு. குறைஞ்சபட்சம் 30 ரூபாவது கொடுக்கலாம். அண்ட் ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒரு மாசம் ஃபுல்லா சப்போர்ட் பண்ணோம்னா 900. ஒரு நாளுக்கு யாராவது ஒரு நாள் ஸ்பெஷல் டே செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணோம்னா they can do like this. And these are all like thing. So this is how. So எப்படி எல்லாம் பே பண்ணலாம்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா these are the various things. Google Pay, WhatsApp, Paytm, PhonePe, இல்ல direct line transfer எப்படி வேணாலும் சரி. So these are the thing. எங்க இருக்குது நான் நேரா போயிட்டே சாப்பாடு கொடுக்கலாம்னா தாராளமா this is the link. So I'm so happy to announce this thing, launch this thing on after 6 years, and the entire thing is being led by a college student. That is the beauty. That is the proudful moment for me, and I'm so happy to mentor them. And the student on the naanga support panna student da. So this is what we are doing it. And just a minute ma'am, நீங்க அந்த லிங்க் கேட்டீங்கல, I'll just send that link so that நீங்க அது எல்லாமே அதுலவே எல்லாமே அங்கே இருக்கு. So this is what I wanted to share it. And yeah, I'd like to hear from you people your happy moment of the day, of the week. Anyone would like to share anything? Lakshmi Narayanan sir, 5 AM club la join பண்ணிட்டீங்க.
ஆமா.
டாப்ல இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி போட்டாங்களா யாமினி?
பார்த்தேன் மேடம்.
ஜாயின் பண்ணீங்களா? அப்புறமா
ஜாயின் பண்ண ஃபுல்லா கேட்டேன், கொஞ்சம் பிரேக் நெட்வொர்க்.
சூப்பர் சூப்பர். சரி சரி. Okay guys, I would like to hear from you people. So because Sunday is the sharing day, sharing and caring. Okay. We care your happiness, we care your health, mental health, well-being. Come on, we'd like to hear from your sharing. You can give your unconditional positive strokes. Whoever shares. Yes sir, please go ahead.
Okay.
Lakshmi Narayan sir, நீங்க ஏதோ சொல்ல வந்தீங்க. சாரி.
இல்ல ஒண்ணும் சொல்லல. 5 to 6 கேட்டேன் உங்களை. அடுத்து இப்ப இங்க வந்துட்டேன். கொஞ்சம் பிரேக் நெட்வொர்க் ஆகும்.
ஓகே. எப்படி போச்சு உங்களோட வீக்? ஏதாவது ஒரு சந்தோஷமான மொமெண்ட் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறது?
இன்றைக்கு அருமையா இருக்கு. இது வரைக்கும் இந்த வாரம் ரொம்ப அருமையா இருந்துச்சு சார். எல்லா விதத்துலயுமே. ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கான்னு சொல்லும்போது பாக்குற ஒவ்வொருத்தையுமே ஜாலியா பேசுவோம். உங்க ட்ரைனிங்னால எல்லாத்தையுமே சந்தோஷத்தை உருவாக்குறதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
சூப்பர் சூப்பர். தட்ஸ் ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக்.
எங்க போனா ஒன்லி ஹாப்பினஸ் மட்டும்தான்.
Thank you sir, thank you. And Vijay ma'am told that she's traveling actually. She went there and meeting the people. She's enjoying the travel. That's good. Would you like to share anything else, Vijay ma'am?
Yeah, I think that itself is a great blessing. I feel the whole of this week I've been meeting a lot of people, so that's really nice. It's really keeping me warm. And one of the things why I join 6 AM happiness dose is when we try kind of put that in the picture, right? I feel that there is some power to it. அது ஏதோ நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பிளான் பண்ணது வந்து அப்படியே நல்லா நடக்குது. அது I don't know, I think it goes to the subconscious mind. என்னன்னு தெரியல, but there is some power in that. So that magic is happening. So I feel that it has to work for all.
That is what actually therapy, ma'am. So there is art therapy actually. So we mix all those things. So and value on the I do a research, basic research, and club couple of therapies, and we use whatever you do. நீங்க பேசுறது இருந்தாலும் சரி, பண்றது இருந்தாலும் சரி, கேட்கறது இருந்தாலும் சரி, ஃபீல் பண்றது இருந்தாலும் சரி, all those things are scientifically proven therapeutic approaches.
Okay.
So these are not like psychological approaches, therapeutic. Psychotherapy ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. தெரபிஸ்ட்
Right.
என்றவங்க வேற, சைக்காலஜிஸ்ட் என்றவங்க வேற. இந்த சைக்காலஜியும் தெரப்பியும் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி பண்றவங்க சைக்கோதெரபிஸ்ட்.
Okay.
ஓகேங்களா? So that is what I am doing. So whatever the session you are undergoing, these are all psychotherapeutic approaches. So Nandakumar sir, நீங்க ஒரு நல்ல விஷயம் மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. We shown the hunger free website எல்லாம். And I'm happy to let you know that Nandakumar sir is regularly supporting our hunger free RNA.
Oh, I will see the video.
Yes, exactly. I'm about to say the same thing. So that is the one thing I wanted to share, sir. Yes, sir. Sunday is a sharing day. So would you like to share any of the happy moment of the week?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm looking forward for one more happiest moment in my life, sir.
Wow.
I mean, I have been conferred the national level award, Rajaram Babu Patel Promising Engineering Teacher Award by
Wow,
ISCB.
that is awesome. We are all proud of you.
I'm going to Bombay to receive that award along with my family, with my wife. So
that is fantastic.
Today I'm going to travel, sir. So that news I got it just a day before. So it was
awesome,
one
sir.
of the
That's
happiest
awesome.
moments. So that's the happiest moment, and this happiness club has really made me to feel the real happiness. Even not only just contributing something in terms of money, but wholeheartedly knowing to help individuals. Recently, I mean, 4 days before, sir, actually Tuesday, one of the PWD student, person with a disabled, hearing impaired, she came and approached me. So immediately we gave a free admission to our college for doing 3 years diploma program at free of cost.
Wow, that's awesome, sir.
So,
that's fantastic.
And we are also planning to get her not only the diploma degree, she's little intelligent, so we want to train her from the beginning, from the first year. When she completes 3rd year, she has to prepare herself to face all government exams, and within 5 years she has to get into the government job. That is our aim for 5-year vision plan. I have shorted, and I was just discussing with our staff members. These all ideas I got it from Mani, sir.
Thank you, sir. I'm blessed. I'm honored to have such words, such kind words. And I assure you that on behalf of Empower Family, we are ready to provide her any sort of skill development program or any sort of counseling and guidance related to her career aspirations. And in fact, we have a Vijay ma'am. So if she wanted to kind of providing any sort of employability skill training also, we can work it out. So we have many people in the circle who can do. So
that is what, sir. I'm looking forward to get all your supports. Especially, I have already contacted one of the CSI Deaf and Dumb School principal. He also accepted to depute one sign language teacher for once in a month to interact with me and the student and sign language teacher, so that she will be acting as an intermediator to translate. And we want to know about her career and her ambition, so that the next 1 month we will be planning accordingly. So this all I have made all the list of activities which has to be done in a nutshell for 5 years plans. In that, one of the thing is motivation and career guidance, counseling. This all we want to extend, sir.
Definitely, sir.
I will
we can.
be approaching myself for all this.
Obviously, I'm always there for you people.
Yes,
so, and regarding to that sign language trainer, we have a school in Hyderabad actually. So I worked with them actually. I trained the first time I trained them in In fact, that mime is an art where we can what is that, enact without any dialogues. So sorry to interrupt, sir, in between. So just I thought I remember I saw that before I forget I can share it with you. So this is an art where I used to think that I should teach that art to someone who is actually specially abled or differently abled. So I taught them, and on my it's kind of, I couldn't believe that they performed it across all the states and even in front of dignitaries like governor and vice president in all the functions. Actually, they got applause. So after a couple of years, I got that news, and I felt so proud that everywhere the people got a lot of applauses after looking at such kind of astonishing performance. So they are very good, and in fact, I learned sign language from them. So they have a good.
Sir,
If you want, I
so
can connect them.
sir, you can handle sign language, sir?
No, I can, but the thing is that I'm not an expert. I can connect you with the sign language teacher from that school.
Okay. Okay, sir. Why? Because I want to have one session live, a virtual session with our hearing impaired students also, sir.
Yes. That is what I'm telling you. I can connect you with that school head or that NGO head. So that you both can have an initial talk. So you can, because when I was the CSR lead, I used to work with them. So they know more about me. I can share, I can exchange the contacts, and you can start working on those aspects. Definitely they will be helping you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. And one more thing, sir. One more thing. This week was after you have taken a brain gym session for our students, near about 100 students. I have interacted with 65 students of printing technology. I have reviewed. I've reviewed means I asked them to perform, and I also shown this all brain gym exercises. They were all admiring that 2 and 2. They were not able to do it, and finger rotation. So this they started practicing. I said the next week again I'll be reviewing, so that within 21 days or maybe 1 month or after that, we are going to have a test for all the students. So finally you can evaluate, and then as we decided, we can issue the certificate once he passes.
That we can definitely do that one. We'll work it out, and we'll create a customized certificate for everyone.
Yeah, it's a experimental method. We want to have it for all these 100 students. I said those who are passing will get a certificate. So sincerely, you practice, and every week I'll be reviewing. That is what I said.
Superb. That's
and
fantastic.
It is started creating a great impact among the students.
Superb, sir. That's fantastic. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, and good to know about it.
Successful, yes. And that video all we recorded, and we have posted in the YouTube, and the link has been shared with all the students. So whenever they have a doubt, they are just watching the video, and they started doing it. So the video sharing is excellent. That's a great idea, I can say, for a self-learning, and it's really motivating students to learn easy and fast.
Superb, sir.
Thank you so much for supporting and handling such a wonderful session for our students.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words, and I'm doing what I can. This is what I would be more happy. So the happiness of a gardener is to look at the beautiful smiling flowers.
Yeah, exactly.
My happiness is to look at the smiles from you people. That's it.
Yeah, this is going to be one of the successful stories from our AGP regarding this brain gym, as well as the persons with differently abled project, which I am going to handle. So these two are going to be successful because of your inspirations.
Definitely, sir. We can definitely work on that hearing impaired kids project, sir. I'll connect you with that thing, the resource person. He's actually a founder of that Ashraya Akruti school. There is a school name, and he has that good experience for more than 25 years. So they are very good.
Sir. Excellent.
Yeah, they're very good in that field. In fact, if you want more contacts, also we have some homes in Bangalore also. Bangalore and Chennai also. That first we'll see
Sir.
if you feel you require more support. I'll connect you, because this is what I did it for the past 15 years, meeting various peoples and does these things. So that is what I always used to say. I cannot give you money, even a single rupee, but I can help you how you can make beyond more than crores, how you can achieve the things. That is what. Yes.
No, sir. I mean, you are doing a wonderful, fabulous work, sir. A lot of transformation in me has taken place. This transformation now it is going to reflect on the students at large, not me only, but it is going to create a larger impact on the many students. So now itself, the brain gym has started, and the hearing impaired that is differently abled are also going to get benefited. So
that's fantastic.
Thank you.
So Yamini, would you like to share anything?
Yes, and yesterday actually one of my uncle, he's 80+ year old. Yesterday morning around 8 o'clock he called me, like and then I was asking him what you're doing. And then in turn he asked me what I was doing. I told him that I'm going to take bath. Then he told me, like it's already 8 o'clock now, only you're going to take bath, is it? அப்புறம் நான் அவங்ககிட்ட கேட்டேன், அப்ப நீங்க எல்லாம் குளிச்சிட்டீங்களா அப்படின்னா, நான் காலையிலேயே எந்திரிச்சு குளிச்சிட்டேமா அப்படின்னு. செம மாமா, செம இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன். நீங்க உங்ககிட்ட இருந்து கத்துக்க வேண்டியது நிறைய இருக்குங்க மாமா அப்படின்னு சொன்ன பிறகு அதோட அந்த கால் முடிஞ்சுதுங்கண்ணா. அப்புறம் ஈவினிங் பார்த்தோம்னா அவர் கோயிலுக்கு போயிட்டு, நான் தூங்கிட்டு இருந்தேன் ஈவினிங் ஒரு 5 மணி போல தூங்கிட்டு இருந்தேன். வந்துட்டு பாப்பா என்ன தூங்கிட்டு இருக்காளா அப்படின்னு. ஆமா அப்படின்னு அம்மா சொன்னாங்க. அப்புறம் எனக்காக வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு நான் எந்திரிச்ச பிறகு, நீ காலையில பேசினதே எனக்கு அவ்வளவு ஹாப்பியா இருந்ததுமா. நான் பாரு காலையில எந்திரிச்சு கோயிலுக்கு எல்லாம் போயிட்டு உனக்காக ப்ரே பண்ணிட்டு பிரசாதம் எல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு, like I just told him that you're a motivation, we have to learn a lot of things from you. He was so happy. Yeah.
Superb. That's fantastic, Yamini. So really awesome to hear such kind of happiness stories, the Sunday success stories. I say these are the so happy moments. So I can feel it. I can feel your happiness from the bottom of
யூஸ்வலா வந்து நான் வந்து என் பொண்ணுங்க, எனக்கு 2 பொண்ணுங்க. நான் when I talk to my teen daughter, right, what she will say is, அம்மா you are very boring. ஆனா இப்ப வந்து அவ வந்து அக்கட்டே சொல்ல ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டா. என்ன சொல்றான்னா, அம்மா வந்து செம மோட்டிவேஷனா பேசுறாங்க, செம மோட்டிவேட்டிங்கா இருக்கு அப்படின்னு. லைக் உங்க கூட பழகின பிறகுதான் லைக் we have started appreciating small things in them. நெகட்டிவ்ஸை சொல்லாம நல்ல பாசிட்டிவ்ஸா, நீ ஏதோ ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு ஸ்மைலி போட்டா கூட நீ போட்டது ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்குடா அப்படின்னா they feel so happy.
Super. That's fantastic.
What we learn from you. Yeah, this is what we learn
so much. So shall we start smiley challenge?
Yes.
Yeah, who will take the script? Who will lead us? Yeah, someone can lead us. Anyone would like to?
நந்தகுமார் சார் செய்றீங்களா சார்?
Sorry ma'am, I got some work doing it along with that. I'll do it some other day, ma'am.
No problem. Vijay ma'am?
Okay. I don't know how perfect it will be, but I'll try. Let's all close our eyes and visualize what really went well yesterday. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Again, a deep breath in and breathe out. Now with the eyes closed, draw a smiley of how it went yesterday, visualizing what really went well yesterday, and draw a smiley on the air. Now take the same thing and put that smiley, open your eyes and put the smiley in front of, in the whiteboard in front of you. You can use the space effectively. We are only 4 of us and we have enough space. We can draw as big as possible also.
Nandakumar sir, are you doing it? Yes, ma'am. Please proceed with the superb drawing.
Okay. So now close your eyes and visualize about what you intend doing today. I'm sure you would have some plans. Otherwise, think of how you want this day to go. Visualize what you want to really achieve today, and have a mental map of that. Visualize that. Once you're very clear that this is what you want to do today, you can put that drawing on in front of your white screen, which is, I mean, we have been allotted boxes. We can start drawing in the allotted boxes. We can actually maximize it and start drawing. We have larger space today because of less participation from people. Effectively use it.
So are you going to draw, sir? நீ போட்டதெல்லாம் கழிச்சிட்டீங்க.
Yeah,
We have 3 more minutes. Those who are done, they can plan OTP. We are done with the superb drawing. On the stage 2 is the OTP. Observe. Observe keenly each and every aspect of the drawing. Think why they have drawn the picture and what would be the happy moment. Ask yourself why and predict what would be the happy moment that lead them to draw this picture, and you design a positive plan of action to be happy for them for today. This is what we are going to do the next exercise after the superb drawing. Once you are all ready, raise your hands so that we will start the OTP, sharing the positive action. We have 2 more minutes. Shall we start, Yamini? Yes. Yes, please go ahead, Vijay ma'am. Start with Nandakumar sir.
Okay. Nandakumar sir, I think since it's a Sunday, it's time for you to relax and meet a lot of people and enjoy with both strangers and also people that you know, sir.
Super. That's awesome. Nandakumar sir.
Yes. Happy morning, Yamini ma'am. ஒரு நல்ல அமைதியான இடத்துல நல்ல தியானம் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு நல்ல பீஸ் ஆஃப் மைண்ட் கிடைக்க வாழ்த்துக்கிறேன்.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
That's
Happy
super.
morning.
Happy morning, ma'am.
நீங்க உங்களுக்கு சைக்கிளிங் தெரியும்னா சைக்கிள் எடுத்துட்டு நல்லா ரோட்ல சைக்கிளிங் போகணும்.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, friends. That was awesome. So we have at the last 1 minute. So if you'd like to do any of the exercise, you can. Anyone would like to lead the exercises? The self-appraisal. Come on. It's time to say shabash to yourself. Come on, go ahead. Superb, superb. You are awesome.
We can do this. Orange pen. Shall I go with the gratitude exercise or?
Yes, please.